What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, it's all about Ribbon Finance RBN, which has been pumping in value 104% up in the last 24 hours guys, making it 33 cents right now. So where is this crypto heading to? As you can see, major increases late last night, early this morning dropped a little bit, but yeah, ever since then it's been picking up in value and it's still ongoing right now. So how far is it going to go? Can it hit 50-60 cents, or is it going to drop back down? That's what we're going to be looking at into today, and looking at, is it worth buying it right now? Should you wait for it to drop back down in value? Is it too late? So on and so on. And also looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2022, looking at how high and how low this crypto can go. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So according to Coinbase, Ribbon Finance is a top gainer in the last 24 hours, even though we have not been having a good month, year with crypto. You know, the whole crypto market has been down quite majorly over the last couple of days, especially with Bitcoin dropping down to about $19,000. Yes, it's up right now, but overall it is still down quite majorly, and Ethereum going from about 2k to all the way down to about $800 yesterday, but right now it has slowly started to recover. But anyways, today's focus is all on Ribbon Finance. So major increase the last hour, 38% in the space of an hour. This is absolutely crazy guys. 38% itself is mad, but within an hour that is crazy, literally going from 24 cents all the way up to 32. It did hit 36, but has taken a little dip in the last half an hour, not even half an hour, a couple of minutes should I say. Over the last day, 109% up, so going from about 16 cents, literally doubled its value within the space of 24 hours. Over the week, 43%, and over the month and overall 23% down guys. So nearly a quarter of its value has been wiped off in a single month, and that is including the major peaks that's just taken place over the last couple of hours. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up by 200% in the last 24 hours. Let me just refresh the page. I'm pretty sure it's going to keep going up over the next couple of hours anyway. 256% now, making it $4.6 million, which is a huge amount of money that is currently being traded on Ribbon Finance. We're seeing a lot of buyers, a lot of sellers, and in general just a lot of people trading the crypto right now, as it's gaining a lot more attention, a lot more hype, as it's one of the top gainers. And obviously 78% buy against 22% sell. And yes guys, the trading volume can easily hit $10 million over the next 5-6 hours as more and more people start to trade it, and the trading volume, I'm expecting it to go up like crazy over the next couple of hours as well. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But before that, we're going to do some price predictions. So I'm going to get rid of the Fibonacci scale and take out the MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we have also got the SMA indicator, which is the purple line running across the chart, which is currently valuing Ribbon Finance at 27 cents. However, it is trading at a much higher value at 34 cents nearly, meaning it is performing quite well and much better than expected. But we can see it's slowly starting to drop down in value, but we'll get into that very shortly. So let me zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, just a little disclaimer: this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we've got the blue line and the orange line looking very steep, going in a bullish direction, looking very positive, meaning increases in value are expected according to the graph. However, the only reason why we're seeing major increases and steep lines here is because of the major increase that's just taking place right now. The graph thinks, you know what, it's going to keep pumping, it's going to keep going up in value, so on and so on. So that is exactly what the graph thinks. However, if you guys have been watching my videos for a while and following my channel, you would know that I've always said this: whenever you see a crypto doing a huge percentage increase in a short amount of time, especially like what's happened right now over the last hour, it gained nearly 40%. It has to drop back down in value. It has to take a little breather. So the exact same applies to Ribbon Finance. I'm expecting it to drop below the 30 cents target over the next hour, 2-3 hours, and then potentially peak back up to around the 37-38, maybe hitting 40 cents as well. So it's going to be quite volatile. Dips are always part of the process. I'm expecting it to dip down before it jumps back up in value. So yeah, right now especially it is a very risky time to invest into it because it's done over 100% increase. So yeah, for me, for myself anyway, I won't be investing into it right now because it's a very risky move, unless you're investing for the long term and you're willing to wait for it to go back up, above the 50-60 cents. That's fine, but at the moment it's quite risky, especially if you're in it for the short term. Now moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we expect here? We are still looking bullish, still looking positive, but again, the only reason why we're seeing that is because of the major increases, which is very unlikely to take place over the next couple of days. So I'm talking about towards the end of next week. I'm also expecting this crypto to drop down in value and go back to about the 25 to 30 cents target, fluctuating in between these 2 points here. But again, it is going to be volatile. We're going to have green days, we are going to have red days over the next few days, but the overall outcome at this point, for me anyway, seems to be more on the negative side, so dropping down to about 25 to 30 cents target over the next couple of days. Now moving on to the daily chart, the big boy long term, now we're looking much more realistic. The lines are not looking steep at all. We've got the blue line and the orange line is still looking bullish, going in a positive direction, meaning an overall increase in value is what is expected over the long run. So early August to mid-August, we should expect it to hopefully go past the 50 to 60 cents target. But again, we are still about 5, 7, 8 weeks ahead of that time, so any major updates or major news that come across in between that time that can have a potential impact on the value of Ribbon Finance, I will make sure to keep you guys updated as much as I can and as soon as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. But yeah, so far we are looking good, but it all depends on one cryptocurrency, guys. Bitcoin has a major part, plays a major role in the crypto market. Obviously, if Bitcoin decides to drop in value quite a bit, then we're going to see most of the cryptos dropping, and if we see it pumping in value, then we are going to see most of the cryptos pumping as well. So that is why I have created a Telegram group chat which you guys can join, where I'll be posting daily price updates and predictions on Bitcoin every single morning on what you can expect from the crypto market, and in Bitcoin in specific, is it moving in a positive or negative direction, and for that specific week as well. And I'll be showing you guys what cryptos I'm buying and selling. You can join the group chat by simply subscribing to my Telegram in the link in the description box down below. It is currently on offer for $14.99 a month using discount code DEC10. So you'll come across the screen, add promotional code DEC10 and you should get 50% off. However, this discount here is only valid for the first 100 members that join, and after that it will increase to $29.99, and over half the spaces have already gone, so there is literally a limited amount of space left. So yeah, what does this include? I'm going to be showing you guys what cryptos I'm buying, what cryptos I'm selling, and I can also answer any questions, any queries you guys may have, discussing new projects, and I will be also posting daily price updates and predictions on cryptos like Bitcoin, on what you can expect, and obviously giving you guys analysis and predictions on different cryptocurrencies that you guys request for in the group chat. But yeah, any questions, any queries you guys may have, simply send me a DM on Instagram and I'll try and get back to you as soon as possible. If not, the link is again in the description box down below, ready for you guys to sign up. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring out the Fibonacci scale to do some technical analysis. As you can see, there isn't much we can do. The only reason for that is we are trading in the red zone, which is the lowest part, and we have been trading in the red zone since this time here, which was back in April, early April, and ever since then we've just been getting worse and worse and worse, and we are all the way at the bottom here. And yeah, it doesn't look like we're going to hit the green zone anytime soon. For us to hit the green zone, we're going to have to hit the $1.29 and just fluctuating at 34 cents right now, meaning we're going to have to go for a major increase in value, which I am not expecting from Ribbon Finance as of yet. So more or less for most of this year, we are going to be trading in the red zone, but as long as we slowly start to move in a positive direction, that's all that matters. It doesn't matter when we're going to hit the green zone. That could be mid to late next year, but all we want at the moment is start to move up in a slow and steady positive direction rather than keep going down in value. But yeah, that is pretty much it for today's video, guys. Just a quick one on Ribbon Finance, a highly requested video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to leave it a like, and what I want you guys to do is comment down below your predictions and your takes on Ribbon Finance. How far do you guys think this crypto can go? How high and how low can it go? So obviously we got a 256% increase. Let me just refresh the page, as I did predict it to go up. Let's have a look now. From 200, yeah, it's gone up to 260. Nothing major, but yeah, it's only been about 5-6 minutes anyway. But yeah, it will get more and more over the coming hours. But yeah, I'm not going to keep you guys here for too long. Thank you so much for watching, and a special thank you to everyone who have subscribed, because I'm trying to hit 100k subscribers as soon as possible. So it'd mean a lot and help me out a lot if you can please subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. And I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.